Welcome to your enchanting Bulgarian haven nestled in the serene village of Drinovo. Ideally located in the picturesque Popovo area of Targovishte. Conveniently positioned just 12 kilometers from the bustling town of Popovo. A mere 22 kilometers from the historic city of Razgrad. A scenic 70 kilometers from the charming city of Ruse. A leisurely 150 kilometers from the vibrant coastal city of Varna. This delightful village offers the perfect fusion of tranquility and accessibility. Boasting a warm and welcoming community, convenient amenities such as local shops, a bus stop, and a post office, as well as breathtaking vistas at every turn. Drinovo village presents an idyllic setting for a relaxed and fulfilling lifestyle. Step into this captivating home and discover a world of comfort and charms. A spacious corridor greets you upon entry, leading to 3 inviting rooms, a well-appointed bathroom, and a convenient toilet, ensuring all the essential comforts for modern-day living. Below the entirety of the house lies an expansive stone basement, providing ample storage space or potential for further expansion and customization. Adjacent to the main dwelling, a supplementary building features a fully equipped kitchen and an additional room, each accessible through individual entrances, offering convenient access to the basement. A sizable outbuilding situated on the property presents boundless opportunities for conversion into additional living quarters or recreational spaces. While there are presently unfinished bathroom facilities and 2 additional rooms awaiting your personal touch, the potential for transformation and enhancement is limitless. Step outside into the enchanting garden and discover a delightful seating area complete with a built-in barbecue and an outdoor sink. Perfect for hosting gatherings and enjoying al fresco dining amidst the backdrop of nature. Additional outbuildings scattered throughout the property provide ample storage space for tools, equipment, or outdoor essentials. The expansive garden spans approximately 2,400 square meters. A dedicated area planted with hazelnut trees, adding to the allure and character of the estate. Encircling the property is a substantial wall, ensuring privacy and security for you and your loved ones. So, escape the hustle and bustle of city life and embrace the tranquil rhythm of village living in Drinovo, where every day unfolds amidst the serene beauty of the Bulgarian countryside. With its strategic location, rich history, and abundance of natural charm, this captivating property offers a rare opportunity to create your own slice of paradise in the heart of Bulgaria. Immerse yourself in the timeless allure of Drinovo village, where the simple pleasures of life take center stage, and every moment is infused with a sense of peace and tranquility. Whether you're strolling through the village streets, admiring the scenic views of the surrounding landscape, or simply enjoying the warmth and hospitality of the local community, you'll find that life in Drinovo unfolds at a pace that's perfectly suited to your desires. Step inside your new home and discover a world of comfort and convenience, where modern amenities blend seamlessly with traditional charm. The spacious interiors offer ample room for relaxation and entertainment, while the well-appointed kitchen and bathroom provide all the essentials for modern living. With its thoughtful design and attention to detail, this charming property is sure to delight even the most discerning buyer. Outside, the enchanting garden beckons you to explore its hidden treasures. From the lush greenery and colorful blooms to the secluded seating areas and charming pathways. Whether you're hosting a lively barbecue with friends and family or simply unwinding with a book in the shade of a tree, the outdoor spaces offer endless opportunities for relaxation and enjoyment.
Allow us to introduce ourselves to you, so you have an idea of whom you are dealing with. Welcome to yet another No Thrills video taken by John, Joanna, or Poppy for our site bghouse. The company name is Nyama Problemi Ltd, which when translated, means no problems. Our property website is www.bg.house. All properties offered to you are 100% freehold. And we have been selling properties for 20 years. So we have all the experience to help in any situation. Our main office is located in the town of Popovo. Popovo is a small but busy town with a village-like community with a feel. An outlook which of course is a very safe environment to live, work and play. Whether as a retiree, young couple, or even as a child attending school. There is a lot to be said for the area of Popovo, which is in Targovishte. As Bulgarian edges closer to adopting the euro, property prices are on the move. Although there are some low-end investments still being offered on the market these days, they are becoming less and less as the prices are on the rise. As you watch the videos of these low-end properties, you may find yourself shocked by the state of the houses or the grounds, with literally rubbish left behind as they had not been cleaned out prior to being offered for sale. Or the gardens are all overgrown. Well, believe it or not, that is very good news for any low-end investor or purchaser. This means you are looking at a property with the scope to make a profit. Or buy it at its absolute lowest market price. With no more than a few days' work cleaning and moving rubbish. The property itself can be resold at a profit. Without a massive outlay on repairs, this is just one way to make a profit with ease. We are always on hand to offer advice if needed. On the other hand, there is an unbelievable demand for finished properties that are ready to move into. So again, the real estate market is well worth looking into. There seems to be something for everybody. Please subscribe to our channel below and visit our website. There will be a link below and see what there is for you.